everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Shahi Sheer Khurma today. Let's see what all we need. We need 2 cups of milk, 4 cups of half and half, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is almond and pistachio paste. So soak your almonds and pistachios, peel them and grind them. This is about 2 tablespoons. We need a piece of cinnamon, 3 pieces of cardamom. We need saffron, about a 1/4 teaspoon. We need vermicelli, and to roast the vermicelli we'll be needing around a teaspoon of ghee. These are the nuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. These are fried cashews, dried dates, fried pistachios, pecans fried walnuts, and last fried almonds. Let's start now. I have already kept milk and half and half for boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add all these things in the milk. Cashew and almond paste, and give it a mix. Stir this continuously until it boils. We have added almond and pistachio paste, so it might get stuck to the bottom, so be very careful. While the milk is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and roast my vermicelli. I have added the ghee and in goes my vermicelli. This is 1 cup, guys. 1 part of vermicelli to 6 parts of milk works perfectly well for my family. If I add more than 1 cup of vermicelli, it becomes vermicelli kheer, so I prefer 1:6 ratio. Please increase or decrease the ratio of milk and vermicelli to your liking. Your vermicelli is roasted and it's good to go. Just waiting for the milk to boil. Once the milk boils, I'm going to let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in the sweetened condensed milk, then last the vermicelli. Now I'll let milk simmer for 20 minutes. This has been simmering from past 20 minutes. You see the malai forming on top of the milk. Yummy, it looks very delicious. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my sweetened condensed milk. Please don't forget to stir, it will stick to the bottom. We are not going to stir it vigorously. We don't want this malai to break apart. After adding the sweetened condensed milk, this has been simmering from past 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the vermicelli. Stir it. Keep stirring it very gently. I will let it simmer like this for another 5 minutes. Switch off the stove now. Okay friends, Shahi Sheer Khurma is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.